Good morning everybody, it's Miss Moore here again with your phonics lesson for today. Today is Tuesday the 2nd of February. So we're going to start again with our recap words and we're practicing some more Year 1 and Year 2 common exception words today, so I'm going to read them to you. We've got there, like over there, grass, Mr, old, beautiful, once, pull and hold. Okay, so there's 8 words there again for you to practice. They are there, grass, Mr, old, beautiful, once, pull and hold. So have a go at practicing spelling them and then you can move on to our new learning for today. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be looking at some silent letters. Okay, so on my board here, I have got the silent letter G and the silent letter K. Now, when we say these in words, it makes a N sound. Okay, so say that sound to your grown-up, it's the N sound. So these silent letters can sometimes be in the middle of words. So for example, if you look at my words here, I start with this one. This word is knee. Okay, now even though it's got a kicking k here, it's got a K, that's a silent letter. So that means that we don't say that letter, because we don't say, oh, I hurt my knee. We say I hurt my knee, because that's a silent k. Okay, let's have a look at this one. This is a gnome. Okay, so again, it's spelt with a G, but this G is silent. So we don't say it, we say gnome. Okay, let's look at this one. It, knit. Remember, these 2 letters here are making our N sound. Okay, we don't say I like to knit. We say I knit. So that's our silent k there. And this one, this is a trickier word because it's a little bit longer. This is champagne. Okay, now can you notice anything about this word? That's right, the word doesn't start with a silent letter. This isn't our silent letter here. Our silent letter is here. So when Miss Moore said sometimes it can be in the middle of words, this is what I mean here, okay? So we've got ch, a, m, p, ain, okay? So it's like how a, n. So down here are some words that you're going to practice spelling today. There are some with the silent letter GN, the n, and spelt like this, which is also n. Okay, so we've got the words night, sign, no, not, kneel, nat, knob, knuckle, knock and design. Okay, so you're going to practice spelling those words, and remember the K and the N only make one sound together. They make the N sound, and so does a G and the N. It makes a N sound. So we don't say knight, we say night. Okay, then when you practice spelling those, take your time with them. When you've done that, there's some sentences that you're going to have a look at, and it's a little bit like yesterday's phonics. So you've got 4 words, and these are gnome, lasagna, so that's something that you eat, sign and gnat. Now with those 4 words, you need to decide which one goes in each sentence. Okay, so there's 4 different sentences. I'm going to read them to you, and then you decide which of those 4 words goes in the sentences. Okay, so the first sentence says the something, you need to decide which word, said it was 60 miles to York. Okay, so it's going to be the gnome said, the lasagna, the sign or the gnat. So whichever word you think it is, you write it in your sentence. Number 2, a something is a flying insect. So So whichever word you think goes in there, you write it in there. Number 3, we are going to have something for dinner today. So whichever word you think goes in there, you write it in. And number 4 is Dad put the something in the garden. So whichever word you think belongs here, you put in there. Okay, so take your time and have lots of fun. Bye for now.